Hi, my name is Erin Mills. I've been with Keystone for 11 and a half years now. I support Keystone Elementary's kindergarten and first grade students. And what I love about Keystone is being able to connect with students during our weekly class connects and our bi-monthly social hours.
Hi, my name's Kurt Schaefer, and I am a teacher here at the Keystone Schools. I teach elementary art from K through 5. I also teach middle school art, and at the high school level, I teach a number of art-related courses, including animation, fine art, 3D modeling, AP art history, and image design. I enjoy working at Keystone for many reasons, but one of my the most enjoyable aspects of working here at Keystone is getting to know students from around the globe, not just nationally, but internationally as well. I've really enjoyed that experience. All right, thank you.
Hello, my name is Heather Jones. Currently, I support second and third grade students in the elementary program at Keystone School. I am beginning my 22nd year teaching. This is my 5th year with the Strive K-12 program and my 3rd year with Keystone Elementary. One of my favorite parts of our program, aside from our self-paced programming, is the connections that I have made with learning coaches and students through class connects and social hours. The flexibility our program provides for our homeschool students following their dreams in athletics, arts, or other areas is amazing. Working with students in the virtual classroom setting to me has been more rewarding than the traditional classroom setting. I did receive my undergraduate degree from the University of Southern Indiana and my master's degree from the University of Indianapolis in curriculum and instruction. I do look forward to working with you and your students soon.
Hi, I'm Mr. Campsey. I am the Keystone School Elementary Physical Education and Health Instructor. This includes kindergarten all the way to the 5th grade. I've been with the Keystone School since 2013, and I'm a proud member of the elementary department since 2021. What I like most about working at Keystone is the ability to work with students through our live classes, also opportunity to train so that we can hone our craft. Some things to know about me: I happen to live in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania with my wife. My kids are away at college these days, and my hobbies are watching sports, fitness, and reading. I look forward to making this a good school year for everybody.
Hi, my name is Jill Dent, and I am a 4th and 5th grade teacher at Keystone Elementary School. I have been with Keystone for just about 15 years. I absolutely love teaching at Keystone. I'm really lucky to work with a great team and also to be able to meet so many neat families from all around the world. A little bit about myself: I live in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania with my husband and our 2 kids. We live out in the country and have this really beautiful view. So this time of year, I love to be on my patio and enjoy fall in Pennsylvania because it's absolutely beautiful. The leaves should be changing here shortly, and it's sort of the time of year that makes the long, cold winters in Pennsylvania worthwhile. My favorite thing about being a teacher at Keystone is that I get to make really close relationships with my students. Some of our families are with us for several years, and it's really neat to watch those kids learn and grow with us. And I love being part of a school that's so flexible for our students and allows them to learn at their own pace and meet their personal needs as well.